Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel, which is High Tech Review. And so today we're gonna unbox the recently launched ZTE Blade Q Lux 4G, or you can say Q Lux 4G. So there is some different model name ZTE launch in Indonesia in different name, such as A430, I guess. So let's unbox the Amazon packing and let's check what inside the box. So here is the bill and everything else. So here is the ZTE Blade Q Lux. You can see the model is written here, Blade Q Lux. So here you can say tomorrow never waits, cool green open. Okay, so remove the plastic seal. So let's cut it, the pack. I'm gonna also come with the all review regarding ZTE Blade Q Lux pretty soon. So stay subscribed to my channel, and if you like this video, please do a thumbs up. That will help. So let's check the specification first. There is no seal, just a paper seal. So let's pull it up. Okay. So here you can mention some IME sticker. The price quoted here 5,999. We get it for 4,999 as Amazon going an offer. So here's the ZTE Blade Q Lux Android 4.4. They said it's upgradable to Android 5.0 Lollipop pretty soon. MediaTek 6732M quad-core 1.3 GHz CPU. Don't compare with the old 1.3 GHz quad-core CPU. It's a 64-bit quad-core CPU with, I guess, Mali GPU. I don't know the Mali GPU model number. It's have a Mali GPU inside. Screen 4.5 in FWVGA resolution, no HD or no QHD, plus IPS panel they mention here. So camera 8 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front, which is cool in this kind of price range. Memory RAM 1 GB, ROM 8 GB, nothing special. Battery 2200 mAh battery. There is nothing mentioned about lithium ion or lithium polymer. SIM slot dual SIM. So GSM plus UMTS, LTE, DSDS. So that's mean the first SIM will support 4G, 3G, 2G, and the second SIM only support 2G. So let's unbox it first. So here is the ZTE Blade Q Lux. I'm gonna keep it side, and let's check what comes inside the box. So let's open it. So now we have some quick start guide. First of all, nicely printed, you can see here, just a quick start guide. Warranty card from ZTE, 1 year manufacturing warranty. And then we have two more cute little box. Let me pull it up. So inside this, the first box we have, let's check, we have the data cable, standard normal data cable, nothing special, no plastic covering. So they said go green packaging, so they don't use any kind of plastic material. So the data cable, and here is the small tiny charger. Let me see the ampere rating. It's 1 ampere charger quoted here. Hope you can see it, guys. So, and in this box, and here you have nothing. In this box you have earphone and battery. So let me open the earphone for you guys. So earphone are pretty normal looking, pretty basic looking earphone. I have to check this earphone, and I'm gonna tell you whatever the sound quality in my full review. Looks like the Huawei Honor earphone, sale in Flipkart. So nothing special. And here is the battery. Let me open the seal. So here you have it's all in Chinese. Yes, 2200 mAh battery. You can say there's some specification in Chinese. So let's look at the device. So here we have the device. So oh, I'm pretty impressed that it's in matte. It's a matte back color. It's not a glossy back. You can So the back cover is matte in finishing, nothing special. So let's put the battery and check the phone. So first let me open the device itself. It's pretty hard to open. Okay, so it's open now. So now you have the two micro SIM card slot, one memory card slot, nothing special. SIM 1 support 4G, LTE, WG, that's mean 4G, 3G, 2G, and SIM only support GSM, that's mean 2G only. So let me put the battery first and let me do the first boot. So it's a snug fit, guys, no quicking knives from this device. So let me put the back cover and let me start on the device. So it's powering on. Let me peel off the plastic sheet. So here you can see ZTE logo and the boot animation. So I'm gonna quickly come back after set up the device. So here it is, guys. So let me turn down the brightness little bit. It's in pretty bright. So that's this one is the back button and this one is the menu button, so you can change the wallpaper. So let me change the wallpaper and see how is the viewing angle of this display. So adjust the brightness little bit. So display is not pretty bright. It's a not a pretty bright display, but the viewing angles are okay. You can see, not very good, I would say. It's okay, and it's not a what to say, OGS panel. It's not a OGS panel. So let's go to the settings and check what comes inside. So in the Android version, you can see it's running on Android KitKat 4.4.4 out of the box. So let's go to the storage scenario. So here you can see total space is 5.03 GB and available is 4.72 GB. And you can also move your app to the SD card, which was confirmed by HTC. And let me go to the app section, and here you can see lots of add a pre-install here. And in the running information, you can see 541 MB of RAM free and 366 MB of RAM used. And these buttons are backlit button, and you can also customize the hard key. So you can select this one and this one, what you want. So it's your choice, you can customize. So let's go to the display. You also have a mirror version, so which is a new MediaTek version chipset comes inside. So you also have lock screen notification, brightness. You also have automatic brightness support here, and you also have cast screen, what you can say. In audio profile, you have bass audio enhancement and bass loudness and bass surround already here, and lossless BT mode audio is also there. So let me check the how is the audio quality first. Let me check it in the volume section. So it's okay, not a pretty loud audio output from this device, don't expect. So it's okay, nothing special. And this device also support so AGPS support is there. So okay, so let me move to the camera section and let's shoot some of the image. How is the camera sample? Let me check. So you can see there is bunch of application is already installed. You have Kindle app, Amazon App Store, antivirus, Royal Texas, some game, BLE manager, family mode, ChatZ, many Hangama, and some UC browser, WPS Office, ZTE, Wall, ZTE, iShow is already there. So bunch of pre-installed application already there. So here is the camera, and Let me check the camera setting. You have zero shutter delay, and you have 8 megapixel in full screen or in 4:3. So that's cool. And in video segment you can record video up to, let me see, yes, you can record video up to 1080p. So let me take some image sample first. So here's some sample taken from the ZTE blade. So you can see the camera is just not good. It's an average camera. The output is not good. You can see the output is not that great. It's an average camera, nothing special you can expect from this camera. So that's all guys for the quick unboxing and the first look of new ZTE Blade QLux 4G. So I'm gonna come back with gaming review and benchmark details and many more things as soon as possible. So stay subscribed guys. This is Shobik Mitra signing off. Hope to see you in my next video.